I felt like there was a lot of grass in the, a lot of grass and a lot of slowness, and because the wicket was covered up with. So we felt like it was going to be good for us, same as to use that first hour in our advantage. But I was really glad that we took that advantage and we took those wickets.
In the test and the support that you guys are giving in the field, particularly also with your wickets. How was it playing with the skipper, debut skipper, and the support and the lads on the pitch? How's that going?
It's good because as with John, he's been around the team most of the time, so we understand him and he understands us. So it wasn't like he was on debut because we played together in box, we played together in different teams. So it was not like it's something new. But I was really happy that he got his things right. So it was really nice for him and for us.